What is an estate plan? Now, as an estate planning and probate attorney, of course, I get this question all the time. Most people have heard the term, but they don't really know what an estate plan is. And in truth, it's because estate plan is an umbrella term, okay? It's not one finite thing. It defines all the parts and pieces you need to accomplish your goals. Whatever those parts and pieces are, collectively, we refer to it as your estate plan. Now, based on your goals, what's in your estate plan may be different from the next person, but in general, if your goals are, while I'm alive, treat property basically the same. If I become incapacitated, make sure that someone can advocate for me outside of the court system and that they know my wishes. And if I pass away, make sure that all of my stuff stays out of probate court, goes to the people of my choosing, according to the terms that I lay out, in an optimized fashion. So outside of probate court with some responsibility and tax advantages on the inheritance. If those are our goals, then for most people, their estate plan is going to consist of a trust. You'll hear it referred to as a living trust, revocable trust, family trust. Ultimately, it's a revocable trust is what 99% of people need. But they'll have their trust, their will, last will and testament, pour over will is what it's often referred to here, healthcare directives, HIPAA releases, and financial powers of attorney. Those last three we were just generically referred to as powers of attorney. Someone that can advocate for them medically and financially, and they've got guidance on what their wishes would be. And that collectively is what we would refer to as their estate plan, their trust, will, powers of attorney, plus some lesser included things. That's things like making sure everything gets into the name of the trust as intended. So a deed to transfer property to the trust, an assignment to assign business interests, beneficiary designations on accounts to make sure they funnel through the trust properly, making sure that's all coordinated. That collectively then is what we call their estate plan. Now, of course, if assets or wishes are simpler, maybe we don't have to do all that. Maybe we just do powers of attorney and beneficiary designations. It ultimately will depend on what your estate includes, what your wishes are, and who your beneficiaries are, and any dynamics involved based on who those beneficiaries are. Now, we've put together a free seminar that's going to cover all of your different options for creating an estate plan, and it's going to take you through what happens with no plan, a will-based plan, a simple trust-based plan that's software-driven, an attorney-prepared, comprehensive trust-based plan, and more advanced planning as well. It's going to go through the cost involved in each of those types of plans, what can be accomplished in each of those types of plans, and ideally it's going to help you understand, based on your wishes and your family dynamics, what type of plan may be best for you. And if you're interested in viewing that, just click the link in the description of this video. It'll take you over to the seminar. You can get started whenever you're ready, and I'll see you there.